Welcome to your IVR Madness tutorial of how to submit a bracket, because Lord knows that I needed a tutorial. It's very simple though. So you're on our IVR Madness voting website. Looks a little something like this. You can read this. You can, oh, look at the prizes. How fun. Watch this. So great. Okay, but here is your actual bracket. In order to vote, you click on this little vote now button, enter your information. Once you've entered in your information, then you get this little window pop up. And essentially, all you got to do is watch the videos and vote for which one you like. And this will take you through all of the brackets that you need to fill out. If it's not obvious, I'm not a sports girly, so I apologize if there's better terminology I should be using. But this is all you do. So I'm going to quickly put in all my votes and see you once it's done. Once you're all done, you're done. That's it. Once you go through everything, you'll get a little window that popped up of like, thanks for your predictions. If you want to check out what your predictions were, you can click on them right there. If you want to, for some reason, watch the videos again, you can just click on the brackets and they'll pop up for you. But, you've already put in your predictions. So, but I don't know what you want to do in your free time. So have fun. Enjoy. Hopefully this tutorial was a little bit helpful if you were a little confused, and we'll catch you on the flip side.